When you're making $500,000 or more, depending on where you live in the country, you got some extra money. You got some extra money to save, and that's the money we're going to talk about. So we want to get that money out of your operating budget. We don't want that money to just disappear to your bills. We don't want that money to be frivolously spent, because although $500,000 is a lot of money, it goes quick. When you start living up to that income, well, you can have nicer cars, nicer houses, nicer clothes, nicer purses, nicer shoes. You get the drift. All of a sudden, $500,000 doesn't feel like that much money because you started to spend up to your income, which is why this first rule, it's actually a law of wealth, is to change where your money goes first and get 15 to 20% of your money. So take 500,000 and just do 20%. Let's shoot for the hills here. So take 20%, and we want to get that money out of the normal bank account. We want to start segregating dollars.